In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train Chatgpt to think like a researcher, which is an invaluable skill that will significantly enhance your interactions with this powerful AI tool. If you've ever wanted Chatgpt to dig deeper into topics and provide insightful, evidence-based answers, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the process step by step to ensure that you can make the most out of your AI assistant. To begin, open Chatgpt on your device. If you're already familiar with accessing it, terrific. Just make sure it's up and running so we can dive into these exciting features together. Once you have Chatgpt open, the next step is to create a new chat. This fresh start will allow you to implement these new techniques without any previous conversation context getting in the way. Now, you'll want to look for the plus icon next to the message box. Once you spot it, click on it. This icon is your gateway to more advanced settings and options that can tailor the Chatgpt experience to better suit your needs. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see several options. Here, you want to select Deep Research. This setting is specifically designed to enhance the AI's ability to tackle topics with the depth and thoroughness of a seasoned researcher. From this point forward, make it a habit to start every prompt by instructing Chatgpt to act as a researcher. By doing this, you're not only setting the right tone, but also ensuring that each of your questions is met with the mindset and analytical approach of a researcher, fostering deeper exploration and analysis in responses. Next, it's important to teach Chatgpt to use structured thinking. When formulating your prompts or questions, encourage the AI to outline topics methodically. Guide it to break down questions into subtopics or to consider various perspectives before settling on conclusions. This technique will help you receive responses that are logically organized and easy to understand. Additionally, always ask for evidence-based responses. In doing so, you challenge Chatgpt to go beyond surface-level answers and provide information backed by data or credible sources. This doesn't just improve the quality of the information you receive, but also broadens the scope of understanding by incorporating verified insights. Don't forget to engage in follow-up questions or prompts. This iterative process is crucial and mirrors the dynamic nature of research, where you assess the information critically and seek further clarification or details as needed. By doing so, you'll cultivate a richer, more detailed dialogue, allowing you to delve deeper into the topic at hand. With these steps, you're well equipped to train Chatgpt to think more like a researcher, paving the way for richer, more informative experiences that meet your intellectual and analytical needs. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.